Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the initial unboxing and impressions about the iQOO 7 case. Yes friends, finally I did order this particular case, which I'm getting plenty of comments recently asking me to try different cases on iQOO 7 device. So previously I did try plenty of other cases as well, regarding the hybrid case and bumper case, transparent case, a lot of other cases I did try as well. And right now I thought of trying this different case which is available in the Amazon website. So which the price is of close to 300 rupees exactly. I'll try to leave the links in the comment section below. Make sure to check the comment section below friends to get to know more details about this exact link of this product. So this is the case which I ordered here. Let's see how is the initial impressions about this case particularly. So did it reach our expectations or not? And what is the overall weight as well? I'll try to check the weight of the case and phone together, how much the weight can be there. So this is the back case friends which I did order, so which looks really good. So which is also pretty good, and there's no scratches and there's no marks on this one. And let me check the weight of this case overall. And the weight is 28 grams, not bad, that's kind of good. So 28 grams. So let me use it in the iQOO sound device. Wow, which feels pretty good friends. This is a pretty good case, I can totally feel it. Yes, it's totally, it did give the unique look to my iQOO sound device, especially when compared with other cases which I've used before. There's so many cases which I've used particularly before, but this is very unique case when compared with other devices, I can totally say that. And I did like this kind of camera bump which is present on the back side, so which will definitely protect the camera ring as well. I'll totally recommend you to buy this case from the Amazon website. Is available, and even the side corners are slightly kind of upwards, little bit pointed out upwards, so that's another thing to note down. So all the placements are perfect regarding the mic, bottom and the top, charging port and everything is perfect. Side also really good, finish as well, as you can clearly see friends. So do let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this case overall, but initial impressions were pretty good with this case. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. I'll try to use this case for the next couple of days and I'll try to come back with the review. But overall, in case if you want to buy this case, make sure to use my links in the comment section. I'll try to leave the link, not only for this one, plenty of other cases also. I'll try to leave the links in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and signing off and bye. And one more thing, I forgot to check the weight of the complete phone along with the case. It takes about 232 grams, case and the phone together. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned and bye. This is from the gift card case which I did order.